Good morning viewers. This is Dr. Amit Goyal, consultant endocrinologist from AG Endocrine Center in Karkhana. Today I will be discussing on the important topic of management of diabetes during this COVID pandemic. So as we all know, diabetes has been a chronic disorder which has been there since a long time. And I am seeing that the patients are now getting worried of meeting their doctors due to the COVID pandemic. They are also worried and not coming out of the house because of the pandemic. So there are a few tips how to take care of your diabetes at home. If you are a chronic diabetic and well controlled, please continue to follow your medications which are prescribed by your doctor and use them. If not, please consult the nearest doctor online. So as we know that the Medical Council of India has allowed online consultations, please consult us online and we can treat you over the online consultation. If you are not controlled, you can still meet a doctor nearby to get your diabetes controlled. Keep a good check on your diet. Please avoid excessive sugars in your food. Avoid rice items. Keep exercise. So exercise at home is mandatory to keep your diabetes in control. So what kind of exercise? You can do simple yoga. You can climb up stairs up and down using your face mask, or you can just walk in your house briskly for about 30 minutes per day. Keeping this in mind, and also the heat wave which is going on in our city now, I would like you to keep yourself hydrated well with good water intake and avoid excessive fruits like mangoes which are in the season at the moment. The fruits which a diabetic patient can have is orange, Mosambi, you can have an apple, you can have a kiwi. Now please do not neglect diabetes, because if your diabetes is out of control in this pandemic situation, it would be difficult for you to find a bed, because as we know, diabetes complications are higher. Like uncontrolled diabetes can lead to stroke, and uncontrolled diabetes can also lead to a heart attack. So if God forbidden you get certain complications of diabetes due to uncontrolled diabetes, you might have a difficulty in finding a bed, and then this could cause loss to your life. So my sincere request is, please do not neglect diabetes and hypertension, be it in a pandemic time. Also consult your nearest doctor online or the nearest clinic, whichever possible. Stay safe, stay healthy, wear a face mask, sanitize yourself regularly, and last but not the least, maintain the social distance. Thank you.